Once upon a time, in the bustling world of finance, there lived a young trader named Veer. Veer was ambitious, passionate, and eager to conquer the financial markets. Like many before, Veer believed that the secret to success in trading lay in predicting the market's next move. After all, what could go wrong if you could always foresee whether the next trade would be a winner or a loser? One day, Veer experienced a remarkable stroke of luck. Through careful analysis, or perhaps sheer chance, Veer correctly predicted a significant market movement. In that triumphant moment, it felt as though the mysteries of the market had been unraveled, and Veer was on top of the world. If I can do it once, Veer thought, I can surely do it again. Buoyed by this newfound confidence, Veer immersed all energy into studying charts, patterns, and indicators. Day and night, Veer searched for that magic formula, the exact set of circumstances that sparked the previous victory. Surely the market was predictable, right? Each time a familiar pattern emerged, Veer jumped in with unwavering faith, confident that history would repeat itself. But soon, Veer began to notice a troubling pattern. The once familiar setups didn't always yield the same results. What looked like a surefire win occasionally turned into painful losses. Confusion gave way to frustration. "Why isn't it working?" Veer exclaimed. "Everything matches up. The pattern, the conditions. Why are the outcomes different?" Recognizing Veer's frustration, a seasoned and wise mentor named Ronnie decided to intervene. "Let's have a talk, Veer," he suggested. Over coffee, Ronnie shared the most profound truth about trading. "You're trying too hard to be right," Ronnie said, a knowing smile spreading across their face. "You see, markets don't work that way. Every single moment in the market is unique. Patterns may provide clues, but they're not rules. They're not guarantees." Ronnie's words resonated deeply. "Successful trading," the mentor continued, "has little to do with predicting every move correctly. It's about managing risk, remaining consistent, and understanding probabilities. Think of it like this. True success comes not from being right all the time, but from executing a strategy that works well across many trades. You'll be disappointed if you keep striving for certainty in an uncertain world." A light bulb moment flashed in Veer's mind. Suddenly, the market seemed less like puzzles to solve and more like an ever-shifting dance. Trying to impose control wasn't the answer. Instead, adapting to the rhythm, embracing uncertainty, and refining discipline were the true keys to success. From that day forward, Veer switched gears. Rather than chasing perfect predictions, Veer focused on building a robust strategy rooted in adaptability and sound risk management. It wasn't easy. The lure of wanting to be right all the time still lingered, but Veer found peace in letting go. Consistency became the new goal. With every trade, Veer looked at the bigger picture. The ups and downs no longer felt like a battle to win, but a journey to navigate with care. As time went on, Veer grew wiser with each trade. The successes weren't always about nailing predictions, but about executing a plan with precision and adaptability. And as Veer became more attuned to the market's flow, trading became less stressful and more rewarding. No longer focused solely on outcomes, Veer began to enjoy the process itself. By embracing the uniqueness of every market moment, Veer joined the ranks of truly successful traders. Those who saw the market for what it was, an unpredictable, ever-changing entity. They understood that clinging to past patterns or expecting history to repeat itself was a futile endeavor. Instead, they trained their minds to approach each trade with fresh eyes and an open mind. In doing so, Veer had let go of the need to be right and found something far more valuable, a mindset that welcomed possibilities and thrived on adaptation. And so, Veer's journey continued, guided by a profound understanding that success in the markets was never about predicting the future, but about preparing for it.
If you enjoyed this video and found the content valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing updates. Your support helps us create more of what you love. Thank you for watching Stita Pragya, being steady and wise.